My name is Monica Nguyen, and I'm a program director for the LA County GAIN program, which is administered by LA County Department of Public Social Services, also known as DPSS. So DPSS administers federal, state, and county-funded programs that help people in need of cash assistance, nutritional benefits, healthcare coverage, and job training programs. We provide essential services to over 3.5 million people in LA County in 19 different languages, reflecting the diversity that is here in LA County in all of our wonderful communities. We are the country's largest public social services agency, and so we thank all of our media partners today for helping um, tell the public about our services and allowing us the opportunity to provide some information for the public today. Um, every day we can see around us those affected by COVID-19, including news reports about severe food insecurity and our increasing unemployment rate in LA County. So just as an example, last year, this time, our unemployment rate was 4.3%. And as of October, our unemployment rate in LA County was 12.3%, peaking in September at 15.5%. So we have a large, much larger unemployment rate than we usually have here in LA County. And for us, it represents, a person, a parent, a family who needs our services and deserves much dignity and respect while they receive those services. As we in our department continue to, um, you know, administer our mission of providing services through effective and caring service. So I'm here today to explain our GAIN program, which is the welfare to work job training essentially for our CalWORKs population. CalWORKs stands for the California Work Opportunity and Responsibility for Kids program. It is the state's version of the National Temporary Assistance for Needy Families program. So through CalWORKs, families with children ages 18 to 19 and younger can get cash assistance it's basically a safety net program for those who have lost jobs, families kind of ripped apart by COVID-19 or any other circumstance, single parents struggling. And through the CalWORKs program, those parents or family members can receive welfare to work training and job services through the LA County GAIN program. GAIN stands for Greater Avenues for Independence. And it is a state-funded and federally funded program for these families. What we do is we provide job search assistance, vocational training, educational opportunities. We also provide intensive case management, subsidized employment, adult basic education, you name it, and we have pretty much most services, including those who need help with domestic violence, which is a huge importance to us, mental health services, and substance use disorder. Our goal is to help people overcome any barriers they have to finding and keeping employment. And we're able to provide these wide range of services through a partnership with many county agencies, including the Department of Mental Health, the Department of Public Health, the Los Angeles County Office of Education. All of our community colleges have CalWORKs offices on location, and that is in partnership with the state, who makes sure that our CalWORKs participants are assisted at the community college level. So one of the questions I received was, what are the opportunities right now that maybe are different than under normal circumstances? And so I just wanted to reemphasize to our communities that even though we're in safer and home orders, and many of us have children who are not in school at the moment, who are distance learning with us at home, it provides an excellent opportunity to engage in online training. Most classes are virtual now, um, and we could help connect folks to online courses, English as a second language courses, um, the HiSET program, which is the new the retermed GED programs, to get a high school diploma, to advance skills, and be learning at the same time that the children are distance learning, to maximize kind of that time at home, and everybody on a Zoom like we are, to enhance some skills once we're no longer in safer at home orders. I think another missed opportunity, given the state of the world right now, is our emotional well-being, and our case managers and our offices can also help connect families to the Department of Mental Health for improving that emotional and well-being for parents and families during this time. It's a tough time, and so that's another opportunity that we have to just make sure that our parenting families are you know staying as healthy as possible. And during these activities, there's plenty of support that we can provide in terms of anybody that has to do anything outside the home. We can offer childcare. We provide assistance with any transportation that is necessary, and we provide assistance with any work-related expenses. So if there's tools and books that are needed in order to accomplish these tasks, we are here to help, and we can provide assistance with those. And lastly, just to mention, our families with children under 3, many receive assistance with purchasing diapers, which right now, with the world the way it is just an extra way in which we can help families who are facing some severe times right now. So through the GAIN program, our goal is to help CalWORKs families eliminate barriers, help them through, um, this particularly tough time, and be ready for when our economy starts to um, have more opportunities and be competitive in the workforce. For eligibility requirements, the public can call us toll free at 877-292-4246. That's actually 292 GAIN for anybody who wants a little quick way to remember our customer service number. And as you can see, our regular customer service centers are open Monday through Friday and Saturdays, but our GAIN customer service line is open Monday through Friday from 8 to 5. Um, so just the last bit, we provide services to 1 out of 3 county residents in total for receive services from our department. And we also help with many other programs, Medi-Cal, CalFresh, and during this time when food insecurity is at an all-time high, we just really wanted to remind everyone to not hesitate to apply for our state CalFresh program, which is known nationally as SNAP. We had in April 126,875 customers apply for CalFresh, and we want to continue supporting our community and make the effort to serve as many families as possible. Um, especially when it comes to our children and our elderly. Um, you know, CalFresh is an excellent opportunity to get that extra help. And now, as you might know, SSI recipients can also apply for CalFresh. They became eligible in 2019 for CalFresh benefits, which is of an extra help for our elderly and disabled. So anyone who wishes to apply for CalFresh, please don't hesitate to call our customer service center at 866-613-3777. We can take your application via telephone and work really, really well with each individual customer to expedite that application and approve those benefits as soon as possible. Um, so, follow us on Twitter. We have way more information than that. We have a website, www.dpss.lacounty.gov. We're on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. We want to make sure that anybody who needs that helping hand these days, at this time when so many are suffering, um, that they do not hesitate to reach out to us and apply for whatever benefits they may need to help their family through this time.